Hello my friend, today I present to you my new timepiece. It's a Swiss one, this time it's a Zodiac. Zodiac, a chrono timepiece, like you can see in this box. It's a cool instruction. It's a chronograph, it's a guarantee paper. And we can go on the timepiece. Here we go. Sorry. It's a crazy model. I love the color and it's the reason why I buy this timepiece. It's the Grand Rally model. It's a quartz one, but with a Swiss movement. The case is perfect, around 40 millimeters for the size. Look at quartz and the cool. I'm totally fan of the Zodiac logo. Look like Franc-maçon iconic logo too. There is on this detail. The index are very cool. It's invert panda, and this is so cool for me. I put the timepiece 1 minute. Look on my wrist, so perfect. The blow dial is unbelievable, and one detail I love is the clasp. Is so crazy. A perfect design. The strap is not cheap, it's very heavy and very qualityful. But the dial, wow, I love so much. It's a cool chronograph from Zodiac. Hope you like my choice, and it's my new chronograph for the end of this year.